guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we will be doing my new morning cleaning routine. I try my best to touch up these areas every morning. Normally it's not this bad. Lately it's been pretty good, but this is Saturday morning, the 21st, and we had game night and we were up hanging out and stuff. So I want to go ahead and touch up in the morning before everybody got up. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and join our family. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. On this channel, you'll get DIY inspirations, you'll get cleaning motivations, and then you'll get a little bit vlogs, okay? And so I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the playlist 2023 cleaning motivations. And if you want something to learn about our house, we have been in our house for 5 years, 6 years coming up in June this year, and we have a playlist called House Shenanigans. Our house is a 1984 rancher, L-shaped rancher, and we have done a lot of upgrades to it by ourselves. So this is why we have this channel. So if you want to go ahead over there and learn some new things and yeah, see how we do things on a budget, yes, you can do that there. Don't forget to go ahead over to that playlist. After this is done, it will be in the description box down below. And let's go ahead and continue with this beautiful music and relaxing. And yeah, thank y'all for being here. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe by clicking that red and turning it gray to join our family. All right, you guys, I've been talking way too long.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Of emotions, sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. it's the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake, it's the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
I want to thank you so much for clicking on this video and spending your precious time with us, because time is precious. For we are the family that love life and having fun, and giving you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Once again, don't forget to click the description box and turn it gray to join the family. Comment down below, what are you doing while you're watching this video? And then don't forget to click that like button and thumbs up. Watch all the way until the end. Y'all be blessed. See y'all on the next one.
I will be alright. Never cut it right.